friend Pete back again. Today we have another special treat. We got a new project for the channel. You might have saw it on our Instagram page. We went out to Oregon, the Oregon coast, and we picked up this amazing ride. You guys ready to see it? '65 standard 11 window combi. Super clean. Has been rebuilt, restored a few years ago. The paint's still looking clean. Obviously it's a little dusty, but we got big plans in store for this. We're going to do a total docu-series on this bus. We're going to show differences from braking distance with stock drum brakes, top speed in each gear, cornering. Like, we're going to go through the entire thing on what this bus does with factory equipment, and incrementally show you how we upgrade it, installing drop spindles, installing torsions, installing adjustable shocks, a complete lowering kit, disc brakes. We're only going to be doing front because this has a 1300cc motor, so it ain't going anywhere. We're going to be doing our drum kit on the back of it, and a couple little tasteful things to make it our style, and we'll take some wagers on what kind of wheels we're going to put on this. I bet you know what we're going to do. Maybe you don't. But our goal for the next 2 weeks is to get this bus to Buses by the Bridge. You can see all the details here. We'll link it in the description as well. And that's January 15th, which is the Saturday that we're heading out, and hope to see you guys there. But now it's time to get working. Let's get it. So here are all the little parts we're going to upgrade on the bus. We got a accelerator pedal repair kit, rebuild kit. Also got plugs for the floor so no draft comes up there. Including that, we have the door stops on the other side. Seals, we actually got all new chrome. Not all new, this is re-chromed original from Germany, rekeyed, so all the handles have the same key. Found a guy on the Samba who was selling the kit for the 65s and snatched it, so we got everything. So we're going to do that so now the car properly locks. So we got all the seals necessary to make that happen, and then we got some new they call them fried eggs, to replace the ones on the vehicle. So that's the plan. We're gonna get all this done before we head out. You get to watch, so enjoy. So this is an aftermarket handle. Oh, it's gonna screw this loose. No wonder it's not working. So we have a factory Volkswagen handle that was re-chromed. We're gonna put that back on it. Hot damn, locks. Unlocked. All right. Siding. Hooker. Confirmation. Foam sauce. water bottle. We'll give you 40 thumbs up.
No squeak, no squeak.
You heard it squeaking, right? No, it's not, right? All right, final tests. Okay, let's lock it, see what happens. It's locked. Yay! Unlocked. There we go. Volkswagen key. Question of the day. These thrust washers have a Volkswagen stamping in them. We're trying to figure out, or I doubt somebody knows it specifically, so it's a matter of opinion, but do you think that VW logo is stamped after or during the stamping process of cutting this whole thing out? Like, it looks like it's stamped and then probably ground, because this side is flat, they're both pretty flat, and then they put a finish. Or do you think like it's done afterwards, like this is done and then they put the stamp in it? Because it's pretty clear stamping. So comment down below what you think. Do you think it's stamped before, during, after? All right, back to the film. So we got a Gila version. We're gonna leave the amber reflector inside. You can see the electrical panel inside of it. So we're gonna take this off, put the Hella version in it. We're gonna make sure that the Hella is up. See you at Buster's by the Bridge. What's up, Airkewld Army? It's your friend Pete. Today we're going to talk about some Volkswagen tools and how they work, and we use them every day. Today we have the Matra VW270A, and it is our link pin offset chart with the tool. These two together make simple work, and to be efficient and to replicate the same results every time. So we have link pin beam that we're working on. So we have early arms with no O-ring, and we're going to use our tool here, and it's going to go into the bottom 9-pin arm. And the top and the bottom have an offset, and this is where the shim chart comes into play, is we need to measure this. So we have our millimeter gauge. I'll link this in the description below, but you just kind of figure out how many millimeters offset we have here, and it looks like we have 6.5. So we're going to come to our chart over here, and we see 6.5 millimeters. What shims need to go in each location, right? So we have our left side shim, A, B, C, D, and our right side, and we find out what offsets are in each. I'm gonna write it down and come back to the video. Alright, so the left side we have 5.5. It's got 2 shims on A, 6 on B, 5 on C, 3 on D. 6.5 on the right side, 3 shims on A, 5 shims on B, 4 shims on C, 4 shims on D. And that's using this chart. We do have these on our website, and we're not going to remake this tool. Obviously this is a pretty stout tool, but maybe something in the future we make to replicate it.
Alright, here he goes. Coming up quick, getting some speed, jumping.
at Airkewld would like to thank you for watching today's film. If you learned something new, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Discount codes, product descriptions, links to our website are located in the description below. We appreciate it again for watching. Catch you in the next time.